My friends are asking, how do you care for your orchids? It's simple. What's this?
The best orchids care to keep these beautiful plants thriving.
It's time to add more water when the potting soil feels dry.
Watering is simple as pouring water into the potting mix and letting an excess drain through the bottom.
What's this beautiful orchids? Different colors and they are healthy. You know why? Because I take care of all of them. Look at that. Beautiful. I enjoy this every morning. Around this time of the year, lots of beautiful flowers. I enjoy them very much. See that?
Not just fast. This is like hold on to your eyeballs fast.
Beautiful.
Now with double the speed for the same price. Only $19.99 a month. The fastest ever.
Enjoy your orchids and thank you for watching.